Public speaking, we have told, hold your hands at the tip of each other's so that it moves. You come little this side, sir. Okay. Your best, I'm not saying anything, but with a shoe, with a white shirt, with a tie, with one blazer, you would have looked amazing. So always never forget about the dress code. It always sets an impression and it will be different from others. Start, sir.
Uh, Happy afternoon, respected lecturer sir, and my seniors and all of my colleagues. My name is Purnachandra Rao. I'm native of Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering, and further I completed my MBA from Andhra University. Presently, I'm working in naval ship repair at Karwar since 2018, and presently I'm at project department. Uh, uh,
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. And my father name is B. Apparao. He was a central government employee, and my mother name is Venkat Lakshmi. She is a homemaker. I have one elder brother. His name is B. Chalpati Rao. He is also a government employee. Uh, I was I was happily married. I was happily
I
married.
am happily married.
I am happily married. My wife name is Tripura. She is a teacher, primary teacher,
School?
primary school teachers.
Name of the school?
Name of the school is I don't have idea, sir.
Okay, okay. About wife, our favorite color, our favorite food, our school. All this is important. Okay, done. Okay, sir. I am blessed
I'm to be blessed with children. Uh,
to
to be blessed with children.
to be okay. Children. That means you have already decided you will go for plural, more than one. Okay. My hobbies are
Yes, sir. My hobbies are playing chess and cycling and trekking and reading books.
my aim.
My aim in my life is to pursue a higher position, whichever it possible.
Higher position means
Higher position means
highest position.
higher.
देने वाला हुआ है. My aim is to pursue an highest position in my company where I am working. You should mention I want to be a chief executive officer, CEO of the company what I am working.
Not in my company, sir. Whichever opportunity I get based on my qualification, based on my experience, sir. Not in.
But any dream is there? I want to work in this company. Are you aiming at that? Because what happens? The conductor and the driver can only take you when you say. Most of the time, we leave it to God. I don't say that that is not a right personality, but why don't you ask and any company that you want to get into? It's there in your dream. I saw this and I told myself I should work in NASA. I saw this, I told myself I should work in ISRO. And I saw this and Pichai told I want to work in one of the top five companies. So that way what happens, if you really want to have a very consistent stable goal, I want to work in the top five companies in the topmost position of my vertical. So if you can remember, if you don't know, you ask ChatGPT for the kind of experience I have, what is the kind of companies that I can look for a break. Ask ChatGPT, today he is capable of doing, and that has to be disclosed. Sir, कौन सा stop आता है मुझे नहीं आता. Last ChatGPT, which stop will come? I will go for the fifth stop, sir. Fifth stop, so that is very close to form, like that. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Love you all so much.
Thank you all. Love you all
Love so much. Wishing you most and more.
Wishing you most and most.
Have a happy day
Have a happy day
and an entire happy week.
and the entire happy.
Very good. Give me a big round of applause. Come, sir. Next. Good. Very good, sir. It is good. So for you also. For formal shoes, this is not formal shoes, and formal pant, and it should always be a light colored shirt and a tie. It will make a lot of difference next time. Sir. Hands like this, hands like this. ऐसे करने से it won't move. You will have to move your hands. और थोड़ा ऊपर. The tip of each other finger will have to touch. Yes.
Happy afternoon all.
Happy afternoon.
Happy afternoon.
Everybody?
Happy
Everybody
afternoon.
is happy. Okay.
My name
Sir,
is-
innocent.
My name is Sridhar. I have completed my diploma in engineering at BT Bangalore. further I have completed my Bachelor in Technology in Vishweshwara Technical University, Belgaum.
What specialization?
Mechanical, sir.
Okay, I've completed my Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical. Okay.
I am working in Naval Ship Repair Yard since 2008. Presently working as a foreman. I have my father name is Divakar. He is a retired state government employee. My mother is Renuka. She is a housewife. I have two siblings. Both are sisters, sir. Elder sister is Maya. She is working in hostel superintendent at Karwar.
Good.
And second elder one sister, she is Meena, working in Mangalore Government Hospital. I am happily married to Shriya. She is working in Naval Headquarters, Karwar, as a upper
What's her
division.
name?
Shriya, sir.
Okay. She's
Working as upper division clerk. I have two beautiful daughters. Namely, one is Sridita. She is studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya 10th, and second one is Srishti. She is just 2 years 8 months, and my hobbies are riding and playing games.
Riding, bike
Playing-
riding?
No, bike riding, sir, and playing games, and even drawing, sir.
Oh, good.
Yes, sir.
My aim is?
My aim is to become a head of the organization, sir.
Very good. Which organization?
Our organization.
Okay, DRDO. I want to be a CEO of DRDO. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you all. Love you all.
So much.
So love you all so much.
Wishing you
Wishing you most
and more. Have a happy day.
Have a happy day
And a happy
weekend.
Very good. Happy week because pura weekend. Sir did not say about his siblings.
Thank you.
He told us.
No, sir. First, sir.
He
Sir, you told us.
Yes,
How many are there?
I have one elder brother.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, when you have two elder brothers, you can say eldest and elder brother. Eldest will be the first, elder brother will be the second. If I have two younger brother, youngest will be the last, younger brother will be before that. Okay.
Happy afternoon, all.
Happy afternoon, everybody.
Happy afternoon.
Myself is Anand Buddu. I have completed my diploma in KJ Somaya College from Mumbai. I am working in a NSRI as a foreman in QC department. My father name is Satyarao Buddu. He is a farmer, and mother name is a Chinnamalu Buddu. She is a housemaker. And I have two elder siblings. The eldest name is B. Buddu Bairagi, who is working in a Muthoot Finance Limited as a branch manager. My second elder brother name is Ashok Kumar Buddu. He is running as a common service point at hometown. And I am happily married. Pramila, who is working as a teacher in Naval Kindergarten at Karwar. And I have two children. Elder one is son, who is studying 7th class in Naval Children's School.
His name is?
His name is Jayshrikar Buddu. And my daughter name is Rohika Buddu, who is studying UKG in Naval Kindergarten. My hobbies are reading books, listening music, watching TV, and my aim is to earn 100 crore by the time of retirement. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Love you so much all. Wishing you more and more happy day and entire weekend.
Yes, sir. Great.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. I never had this type of communication.
Yeah, I wanted all of you to give the
Thank you,
feedback
sir.
also. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Answer the frank.
Happy afternoon to one and all.
Happy afternoon. Everybody is
afternoon.
not happy.
Happy afternoon.
You're not naturally bringing out happiness. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು sadness ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ. You say it again.
Happy afternoon to one and all.
Happy afternoon.
My name is Vikas Kumar Behera. I am from Odisha. I completed my BTech in year 2013. Then I completed my bachelor in library science. Then I completed my master in library science in IGNOU University. Now I am working as a foreman in NSRI Karwa in electrical department. As far as my family concerned, I have
My father.
elder
My father.
I- as far as my family concerned, my father name is Bhaktcharan Behra. He is working as a retired central government job, and my mother working as a housewife. And as per my sibling concern, I have one eldest brother and one elder sister. My brother is working as a shopkeeper, and my elder sister working as a housewife. My hobbies is playing cricket and teaching, and uh,
My aim.
my aim being a deputy librarian in Central University, or as a registrar, as I earlier said,
Ah,
in Central University.
good. So Central University kahan? Which place? Which
Central University, Odisha.
Orissa. Good. A big round of applause. And thank you.
Thank you.
उससे पहले feedback and then thank you. Love you all so much.
Thank you, and love you all so much.
Happy.
Happy weekend.
Wishing you most and
Wish you more and
Most and
more.
more. Have a happy day and a happy week.
Have a happy day.
Everybody, go for that 4 lines. Thank you. Everybody, thank you.
Thank you.
Love you all so much.
Love you all so much.
Wishing you most and more.
Wishing you most and more.
Have a happy day
Have a happy day
and a happy week.
and a happy week.
If it is Saturday, we will say weekend, which is happy week for always. Yeah. Feedback, sir. Classes.
Feedback.
The classes are what previously class and now today class is very well. We all, not for me, for all of us, we learn most thing. That first of all, the thing is that how we overcome our weakness and we present ourselves. It really looks like a big job for us because we did not achieve so because we did not get like that platform in our working organization, working place. So it is very good for us.
Yes, sir. So, year afterwards, what we will say, when he goes, you will have to invite the next person. So, this will help you to invite somebody onto the dais. So, you can say, as though sir has invited you, you take sir's name and you can say, thank you, sir, for inviting me. Your self introduction was amazing. Talking about the previous person, and then you can start off. What's his name?
मोहम्मद जमाली
हाँ. So, नहीं आपका नहीं, इनका.
विकास
So, thank you, Vikas ji.
थैंक यू
Vikas ji. Then, because he did not invite, but you can always say thank you, Vikas ji. Your self introduction was amazing, and we came to know a lot of things about you, and you can start off. Happy morning. And before you go, you should invite sir. Next, I would like to call my colleague or my friend. You take sir's name onto the dais. Start.
रिस्पेक्टेड सर
आप ऐसे रखिए, वो उधर रखिए, ओपन करके रखिए. अगर कुछ मुश्किलें होता है तो
इसलिए सर मैं लेके आया था
हाथ ऐसा रखिए और थोड़ा पीछे चले जाइए. हाँ. हैप्पी मॉर्निंग.
रिस्पेक्टेड सर एंड माय सीनियर एंड माय कामगार साथी गुड
Happy
आफ्टरनून
morning to all
गुड
of you.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग
Happy afternoon to
happy
all of you.
afternoon to all of you. My name is Mohammad Jamaluddin. I am working in the Commander of Yard as a master oil tanker of fuel barges since October 2009.
Wow.
My education qualification is PUC and technical qualification first class inland master from Kolkata Mercantile Marine Department. My father's name is Muhammad Kamal. He is retired from Kolkata Port Trust. My mother name is Mazda Begum. She is a housewife. I am married to my dear wife Tabassum Banu. She is a housewife.
Kids,
I
am blessed.
We blessed with 3 kids.
हाँ.
First born son name is Muhammad Alfajuddin. His qualification BSc
He's working?
His qualification BSc,
Ah.
Gas College, Karwar. Government and Arts Science College,
yeah.
Karwar. He is working as a seaman in the Indian Navy.
Wow.
My
Younger son?
elder, my middle child, elder daughter's name is Rahnuma Tajmi. She is studying BHMS at Bhagwan Buddha Homeopathy Medical College, Bangalore. My youngest daughter name is Mehreen Azmi. She has passed PUC from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Karwar.
Great.
Is currently preparing competitive exam
Very good.
for competitive exam. I have two brothers, one sister. My younger brother's name is Mohammad Tanveer Alam. She is working in the Indian Navy as a senior engine driver. My youngest brother name is Muhammad Abrar Hassan. He is working in the Indian Railway as a loco pilot. My sister name is Jinat Banu. She is a housewife. She is also housewife. My career aspiration is become a dredger master.
Oh, good.
And I love play to cricket, some music.
Oh, listening to music. Good, sir.
Thank you. Love you
Love you
all
all
so
so
much. Wishing you all a great happy day every day.
Oh, very good. Aapka flow acha tha. Why did you ask for a book? You did not use the book. Flow acha tha. Ah, sir. Feedback. How was the class? What did you learn? Any story you remember? I think I would have
मुझे
told you
बहुत
more than
अच्छा
10
लगा।
stories.
सर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये स्पीकिंग देने के लिए आप जो यहाँ पे
Oh, great.
खड़ा किया इससे हमको कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा
It will build your confidence, 100%. Yes, sir. And then next, I would like to call.
नेक्स्ट सर
I would like to call. Sir का नाम ले लीजिए.
अनिकेत सर आप
Aniket sir
Please.
onto the dais. फिर से बोलिए. Next, I would like to call.
I would like to call
Aniket
sir
sir onto the dais.
dais.
Yes, sir. The big round of applause for Aniket sir. आप उन्हें बोल दीजिए थैंक यू सर आपको बुलाने के लिए एंड आपका स्पीच बहुत अच्छा था आपका इंट्रोडक्शन मस्त था हाँ
Happy morning, happy afternoon to all.
एवरीबॉडी
Happy afternoon.
Thank you, Jamaluddin sir,
for inviting me onto
for
the
inviting me and giving me such opportunity to share my introduction with all of you. My name is Aniket Pandinath Bhangre. I am working in Naval Locate since 2001. With study, with my service, I completed my BA, LLB, LLM from Mumbai University, and I have my father's name is Pandinath Kachar Bhangre, who is also retired from Naval Locate Mumbai, and my mother is housewife. Her name is Kamal Bhangre. I have 3 siblings, 2 brother and 2 sister and 1 brother. My younger sister is advocate. Her name is Shubhangi, and youngest sister is Poonam. Her name she is a teacher, and my youngest brother is Abhishek. He completed his BSc and now he is pursuing his LLB.
oh great
And I'm happily married with my wife. Her name is Dipali. She is a teacher. She is working in Chembur BMC school. Anand Nagar school's name is. And I blessed with
kids
two kids. First one is Advait. He is studying in 8th standard. And my daughter's name is Aradhya. She is studying in 4th standard.
my hobbies
My hobbies are playing badminton and cricket, table
Wow.
tennis.
oh great sir.
But now, due to
you should not stop now
yeah,
positive
but
personality is
whenever
happy.
at night we play badminton in our residential area,
okay
and my family live at Mumbai, and I am only one person living in Karwar, and I completed my tenure and hoping for my transfer. And my dream is that I want to become a successful person and try to motivate others to take education, because anybody got a government job, he stop learning. He says that we get a job, nothing is required. But no, we if we take time and make ourselves to study, it will be helps. And sir, this whole lectures from this 1 week absolutely our means it improve our thinking, attitude, positive attitude. And thank you sir for your happy morning, because happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening, this means we have to remain always happy.
Yes.
And thank you for giving
All
me
of
such
you should
opportunity.
compulsorily follow the code of law also. It's so when somebody good morning, you were saying no, it should be happy morning. I don't say good only. Then next I would like to call
Next I will call Ajay Kumar sir
on to
and
the task.
on dais.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Happy afternoon.
Happy afternoon to everyone.
Happy afternoon.
Happy
sir.
afternoon.
Happy
afternoon.
Thank you, Bhangre Saab. He called me on dash
Your
for
self-introduction was very
introduction. I am Ajay Kumar, working in NSRY Karwar as an assistant manager. I have completed my engineering in industrial engineering stream from IIIE Belapur, Mumbai.
nice. Wow.
My father name is Bajnath Prasad. He was a farmer. My mother name is Santi Devi. He is a housewife. I have three siblings. Elder one is my brother named Vinay Kumar. He is a businessman. Two sisters. Youngest one is Mamta, who is a school teacher in Patna, and younger one is Samta, who is also a teacher
Okay.
in Patna. I have happily married with Meera. He is a housewife. I have two siblings. I have two
Kids.
blessed with two kids. Younger one is elder one is Ankit, who is completed his master degree in cyber security
Wow.
from University of Ireland, and presently working in Gurgaon
Very good.
as a senior associate. My daughter name is Kanak Lata, who is completed Bachelor of Dental Surgery and appeared for NEET MDS and secured 538 All India rank.
Wow, very good. Easily get this.
My hobby is playing carom and cycling.
Oh, good.
My aim is to become HOD of the present organization.
Oh,
Wish you all of you very happy day and weekend.
happy week, complete week. Yes, sir.
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
I would like to invite Arun sir to come on the desk to self-introduce.
Feedback, sir.
Good.
Feedback.
Thank you sir for giving me an opportunity to introduce me, and your class was very helpful for my future careers,
Thank you. sir.
because I have learned so much things from your lectures and other faculty also.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you sir very much. It's helped me to improve my fairness.
Okay.
Thank you everyone, and good afternoon.
Happy afternoon.
Happy afternoon.
So, once again.
Once again.
All the best.
Happy afternoon to all.
Happy afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, Ajay Saab, for inviting me to the dais. myself Arun Shankar Jadhav, working as an assistant manager in Naval Ship Repair Yard. I have completed my 3 years course in shipbuilding. After completion of the 3 years course in shipbuilding, my aim was to be a dock master of a naval shipyard or naval dockyard. At presently, I have done that,
Very good.
and I have to be a senior dock master for US docking field. My father's name Shankar Khandu Jadhav is a retired in Naval Dock at Mumbai. My mother's name Kamlabai Shankar Jadhav. She is a housewife. I have 2 siblings. My elder brother has been retired last month in Naval Dock at Mumbai.
Oh,
My elder brother working as JTO, Junior Technical Officers in Naval Dock at Mumbai. I am happily married with a beautiful girl, beautiful lady, Swati Arun Jadhav. She is working as a sister in charge in Balabai Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, Parel.
very good, sir.
I have 2 kids. I am blessed with the 2 kids, Shreya Arun Jadhav and Ari Arun Jadhav. My elder daughter, she has completed her MA in economics and serving in LIC. My younger daughter, Shreya Arun Jadhav, she has completed her 10+2 in commerce, and she is pursuing her studies in BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies.
Hobbies.
My hobbies is reading books, reading technical books, and having some knowledge from the technicals.
My aim.
While joining Naval Dockyard as a normal worker, I have decided my aim was to be a dockmaster in this field. I have done it, and I am next. My aim is to become a senior dockmaster in Naval Shipyard. Thank you all. Love you all. Wishing you a most happy afternoon, happy day, and happy weekend. Happy week.
also. Very good. Next, I would like to call
Next, I would like to call Rajesh
onto the dais.
onto the dais.
आप पहले उन्हें थैंक्स बोलिए सर आपको धन्यवाद सर थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी ऑन टू द डायस सर आपका स्पीच वाज अमेजिंग टू नो 2 daughters are doing engineering see all of you can look for something good in your previous person's speech one or 2 lines if you can repeat it sir nice to know that your goal was to become a dock in charge what is that sir? DOCK yeah DOCK. Your aim was to at least reach that dock master, which you have already done. I think you should not stop at senior dock master. You should be in charge of the whole unit only. You should advise him, and then आप अपना शुरू कीजिए. So always क्या होता है किसी को advice करने से हमारा confidence और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है और भगवान को हम ज़्यादा प्यारे हो जाते हैं. हाँ सर.
Thank you, Arun sir, for inviting me
Onto the dais.
onto the dais. You have given excellent speech for about yourself. Good afternoon, all.
Happy afternoon all. Everybody
I am Chokapur Rajesh. I completed my mechanical engineering Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology from Visakhapatnam. After that, I joined NSRY. I am presently working as a foreman since 1 year. I have joined in NSRY 2017. I have one sibling. My father name is Narsimha Naidu. He is a farmer. My mother name is Bangaramma. She is a housewife. I have one sibling. His name is Mohan. He is working in private company. I am happily married. My wife Kalpana. She is a housewife. I am blessed with a one kid. His name is Shadhansh.
Studying in
No, no, he is 1.5 year old.
Oh,
So my hobbies are reading books and listening music, and I am also interested in walking alone to the natural places.
Oh, you like, okay, nice. You're a walker.
So my aim to be, I want to go into the lecture, teaching field, like assistant professor or professor.
Then public speaking आपको करना है, रोज करना है. You are good also. Flow is good. Yeah.
Thank you.
My aim.
Thank you all.
Uh,
Love you so much.
wishing
I wishing you
most
most and more have a
happy day.
happy day and happy week.
Okay. Feedback.
Sir, you are giving an excellent speech
Thank
for
you,
all
sir.
of us. So you are all inspiring so much from your speeches.
All of you are also very good.
All of you are also
blessed.
very good.
Thank you. Next,
I
I would
am
like
inviting
to,
you,
next
Dilip.
I would like to invite
Dilip.
the Dilip sir onto the
Dilip
dais.
sir onto the dais.
You should pick up one point from his speech and tell, sir. One speech from his talk and then say. Okay, thank you so much, Anbito.
Thank you so much, Rajesh sir. You tell
For inviting me onto the dais,
for inviting
me
me onto
onto
the
the
dais.
dais. Your speech, your
Your speech
introduction was
very good.
very touching.
Very
See,
touching
you
to
should
hear.
always use different things. See, instead of only saying good, bad, this one, you can always see what was that good in him. Your speech was very touching. Being from an ordinary family, getting on to whatever you are, and your goal is amazing. You want to be a teacher because everybody that does not want to be a teacher. It's nice that you want to be a teacher. I pray for God. You will be one of the best professor or an assistant professor. Like that, carry on with whatever others have told and then continue. It comes by practice. Awesome.
Thank you so much for inviting to dais. Your introduction was very nice, touching to heart to me, and your wish may be success as a teacher. Myself, Dilip Kumar Hathi. I am completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Pune University, and now I am
In
working
what stream, sir?
mechanical engineering.
Mechanical stream.
Now I am working in NSRI Karwar in fabrication department as a foreman.
How many years?
From 9 years, from 2017. Before I had worked in Naval Dockyard, Mumbai as a skilled workman since 2011. My father name is Dinabandhu Hathi. He's a farmer, and my mother is Saraswati Hathi. She is a housewife, and I have 3 siblings. My eldest sister is also a housewife, and my big brother is a businessman and in photography and video shooting.
Okay.
And my younger sister is also a housewife. I am happily married with Mousumi, and she is also a housewife, and I have a kid. I have one children named Divyanshu, now studying at LKG in Naval Kindergarten, Karwar. My hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, and riding bikes. My aim is to build a big farmhouse for my family,
Oh, good.
and a library to my village.
Oh, great. See, your aim should have a social cause also. So you can have multiple aims. My personal aim is this, but as our life goes on, we will have to do something to the society. My aim as a giver is I want to start a free library in my village. Good, sir. Very good. Thank you.
Sir, according to me, your class was very understood to us how to
Thank you, sir.
encourage us. It's myself and ourselves also. And thank you to all, and wishing you happy day and happy weekend also. Now I am inviting to Sarma sir
Okay.
to come on to the dais.
Guys.
Thank you.
Sharma ji.
Good afternoon, sir.
Happy afternoon.
Happy afternoon, sir,
Yes.
and all of you. Thank you, Hathi Saab, for inviting to the dais. God, आपका ये
Introduction was
your introduction was very
Very good.
interesting and very good. और your God bless to achieve your aims. Myself, Krishnakant Kumar Sharma. I belongs to Bihar. I have completed my BTech from MSIT, New Delhi.
wow.
I am working in NSRI Karwar as a foreman in electrical department. I have two siblings. My elder brother is eye specialist doctor. My younger brother is Chinese translator.
Oh, he's a Chinese translator. Great. That's a really good. Father name?
My father name is Bholanath Sharma. He's a farmer. My mother name is Madhuri Devi. He's a
She's a.
housewife. She's a housewife.
I'm happily.
I happily married with Rupa Kumari. He is a teacher.
She's
10
a
plus 2
teacher.
teacher.
School. Which school, sir?
Government teacher is a Bihar.
Okay, great. Hobbies?
My hobby
No,
is
kids.
I
I'm
blessed
blessed
with
with
one kids.
One kid.
One CJ 2 years
She's
girl,
2 years old. What's her name?
Kirti Sharma.
Oh, okay. Her name is Kirti Sharma. She's 2 years old. Okay.
My
My hobbies are?
my hobbies are मतलब playing crickets, reading books.
My aim?
My aim is to crack BPSC examination
Wow,
and to become an SDM.
Oh. It's a lab.
Thank you, sir. Your class is very important for us
Thank you.
और very मतलब ये confidence building, self motivation is good for me. Thank you all of you.
Next, I would like to call the last
Next.
speaker of today. Next, I would like to call the last speaker of today.
Last speaker of the day,
Ah.
Mr. M.R. Kumar Sharma.
वो भी शर्मा जी है।
सिन्हा जी
सिन्हा जी।
नो नो ये जो सिन्हा जी
सिन्हा नहीं, सिंह है।
Sina, Sina.
Happy afternoon to all of you.
Happy afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma, for inviting me on the dais. Your introduction was amazing.
Good.
And very heart touching. As you said, you want to become SDM in Bihar. I become very happy.
Very good.
My name is Kunal Kumar Sinha and I am from Bihar. I done my diploma in electronics and communication engineering from Government Polytechnic Ranchi, Jharkhand. My father's name is Sri Upendra Prasad Sinha and he is a retired person from a state government service. My mother's name is Suvidya Devi. She is a housemaker. I have two siblings. My elder brother is a bank clerk in Bank of India, and his name is Rahul Kumar Sinha. My younger brother's name is Ranjit Kumar Sinha, and he is preparing for competitive exams. I happily married. My spouse name is Dolly. I am blessed with.
She's working.
No, she is a
Housewife.
housewife. I am blessed with a kid. She is a baby girl.
Her name is?
Her name is Kiara Sinha, and she is studying in LKG in Naval Kindergarten School, Karwar.
Okay, that's nice.
My hobbies is to listening music and upgrading my skills. And my aim is to earn more and more money so that I can enjoy my life with my parents and my family, and especially I would like to thank you, sir,
Thank you.
for your classes, which is very helpful to improve my professional skills and for my professional, apart from a professional life, my personal life also.
Thank you so much.
And I believe that it is being helpful for everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Love you all so much. Wishing you a most and more happy day and
happy week.
happy week. Thank you.
Guys, we'll go for one photo and then we will log off. सबका हो गया? एक
Sir, one thing I would like.
please sir, please. We'll go there. आइए सर प्लीज कम. दोनों अलग अलग. सी वॉट एवर यू से, आपका आई लव यू उनका आई लव यू अलग ही होता है.